this video, we will see how to add more than one Google account in your Android phone and remove it as well. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get updates when new content is added. So let's get started with the video. Click on your Google app and next click the More link in the bottom. Next, select Choose an Account link or click on the Gmail account here on the screen. Next, click Add another account tab here. Next, click the Google icon. You need to again verify with your phone code or thumbprint to add Google account. Next, enter your second Gmail ID and password and agree to the Google terms. You can see here the second Gmail account is also visible on the phone screen. You can click and select the second Gmail account so that you can check the email in it and send emails to. Click on your Gmail app and you can compose and send emails through it too. Now we will see how to remove your Gmail account from your phone. Click on your Google app and next click the More link in the bottom. Next, click on the Gmail account here on the screen. Here, click Manage Account on this device tab. Next, click on the Google icon and next click and select the Gmail account which you wish to remove from your phone. Next, click the More link in the bottom of the screen. Click this Remove Account tab again. Confirm by clicking on Remove Account link. And done. Your selected Gmail account has been removed in your Android phone. Similarly, you can delete other Google accounts or add more Google account in your phone. With this, we come to the end of this video tutorial. Please like and comment on the video if it was helpful and subscribe to my channel and get updates when new content is added. Thank you.